Hello everybody, I am Dr. DJ Kulkarni and today we are going to see something very interesting. One thing is, people are confused. What is creativity and what is innovation? So to go into design thinking, is creativity important or is innovation important, or is it that both are required to think about design, and we call it as design thinking. Let's come to our day-to-day lives, friends. You must have had an experience that when we have guests at home and we serve tea or coffee, we require another plate for the biscuits. Now the problem is, can I reduce on the saucer and the tea? Can I combine it? And friends, see here, we have got an innovation, a product. Let's take another example. You must have seen people cutting onion at home and they want to cut thin slices. It is so very difficult to hold the onion because it is likely that the onion slips out of the hand. What is the solution to this? The solution is very simple, and you see the example here. You also would have had an experience that whenever we travel, we require a pair of slippers that we call in Indian language chappal, and we require also a formal shoe. Generally when we travel in the train, we like to remove our shoes and use our chappals. That means I have to carry one pair of chappal and one pair of shoe at least for my comfort. Can I combine both? These problems each one of us has faced, but has anyone thought about combining these two things and getting one product so that I can carry it very easily? Friends, this is what is known as creative idea, and the idea translates to innovation. Further on, friends, you are going to see how one can be creative, whether creative is genetic, or you can really learn about it, and what is the importance of creativity and innovation in today's world. Friends, you have to be very ferocious. When it comes to creativity, innovation, new technology, it has to be fast. Just like this. Oh, right, hold there. Or one day, if you don't innovate, you're going to be shot dead in your organization. And that's it. You're gone. You have to have fire in your belly to be creative. You have to have very good observation. You have to start thinking about solving the problem yourself. How can it be done? We call it as frugal innovation. और इंडिया में हम लोग इसको जुगाड़ बोलते हैं. It's known as जुगाड़. If you don't have this fire in the belly, you can never ever throw the fire of innovation. You'll be obsolete. The organization will be obsolete. We are going to see further how each one of us can be creative and innovative, which becomes the basis of design thinking. Let's go ahead. have a problem in the kitchen of pouring oil into the pan, we use these things. But if you have got frugal innovation, I don't require this. I have here a small soda bottle where there's a hole, and you can see I can just pour the oil as much as I require. This cat tries to open the door from the outside with its paw and becomes very difficult for us to keep the door open. Hence, we have devised a different way of latching it. Cat keeps coming into the house, and we have a door here in the farmhouse where I cannot latch it from inside, and hence we have made this jugaad of frugal innovation. We have a sticker here, you can see, and we have put one string to this latch, and we just put it here. So now the door cannot be opened, and the cat does not put the paw inside to open the door. I have not drilled anything here, no cost, nothing, and this equipment has cost me only 8 rupees. This is a soft drink and the beer can. Most of you must have seen that it has a lid like this here on top, the opener. What do we do with this? We just throw it off. The best thing is you break it open, and the whole thing can be used. This part can be used, and I'll show you how it can be used. So this was the lid of the tin beverages that I showed you. We removed it from the tin, and how it is used. We put it here to this hanger, and now I put this hanger to this clip. So you see I have got 1, 2 and 3 hangers here, and all are connected with this waste material that is the top of the tin. This is frugal innovation. This is creativity. Get back home and do it. Friends, many times people in the kitchen, your wife, your sister, your mother, they may be wanting to have a coconut without a brown peel that is the inside. So it becomes very difficult, So you try this thing. Take this coconut, put it in a plastic bag, wrap it nicely, and you keep it in the freezer. Keep it in the freezer at least for 10 to 12 hours. Again, I'm repeating, keep it in the freezer. Once it is kept in the freezer overnight or 10 to 12 hours, next day you remove it. Remove the coconut out. Now it's a cold coconut. Take a hammer and go on hitting it slowly on top of this. Hit it slowly for some time till the shell cracks, and after some time you remove the shell little by little, and what you will get, a beautiful white coconut without the brown covering. Now friends, try this at home today and find out whether this is creativity or it is innovative.